my G's, welcome back to my channel. Do you like this look? It looks so cute. And look at this lace though. What lace? Melted, no cap, and also no glue. So if you want to see how I got this look, stay tuned and enjoy the video. Come on. I always kind of wished my hair was just actually this long because it's just a stunning wig, guys. This is the 30x4 HD lace front wig. This hair already came like sorted for you. The lace was already pre-plucked and it was already pre-bleached. The length is 24 inches, so it's quite long, fluffy, full, and sexy. So everything that's in the package is basically things that will help you, which is the brush, you have the band, you have some lashes, you even have a bag to carry your wig in. And I already prepped my hair. I used some got2b spray to keep it all the way down, but yeah, my bandana stuck to it because it's not silk, guys, so yeah, don't follow me. Also within the wig you have the band, you just slide it in. I don't really like these bands, however I'll just sew it in later on, but it is adjustable so you can adjust the back. So obviously on first impression I was just like, wow, like look at the front, like look at the lace, the pre-pluckedness of it all, like done so well. I don't even think I could do it that well. It looks beautiful. So we're just gonna go in by cutting around the ears. So I just have to show you first and foremost that this part is always very hard for me because my hairline like falls very low to my ear, so I have to just make sure that I cut properly or it's just gonna fall very high up and you'll still see my hair underneath. Oh my god, no. But yes, this lace is very soft, so it's just like so easy to work with. And like I just don't like it when the lace fronts are just like, the lace is just hard, but this just feels really nice. So I'm loving the HD vibes. Yolissa hair, they're really showing up and showing out. This is stunning. This is a medium cap and it was a little bit big for me because my head is very small, guys. However, it still looked really good. I just tightened the bands at the back and that just worked out really well. And I just love this WATERWAVE texture because it just suits my face. It gives that fierce Amazonian vibe and all of that. I don't know how to say, it just gives that energy. But yeah, once the lace is off, as you can see, yes, I actually added some powder on this, by the way. You can see it's brown, just so it's like the same as my skin. So when I have my makeup on, you will see me basically put the powder on my face and then on the lace. Oh, that rhymes. And basically it's just a skin tone type vibe with that one. Like that's all you need to kind of make it blend in. And to just melt the lace, I blow dry my hair and then make sure it's tacky and then just press that in with the edge of the comb. And you know what? It works. With this HD closure wig, there is 13 across and 4 to the back, more than enough space to do any cute styles and updos. So guys, that was the end of the video. Can you see me properly? Can you see the hair? Sorry about the sound quality. I'm gonna definitely get that fixed. But this wig is from Yolissa Hair, and it is this beautiful WATERWAVE wig. It's about 24 inches, but it feels so much longer. It's so soft. I don't know. You know, when I wear hair like this, yeah, I just feel like so myself. Like I feel like so much more like ShantaniaBeckford. Like this is literally the hairstyle that suits me the most, sis. This is the HD lace front wig. 13 by 4. It's so soft. Like the lace is so soft. It just went on so nicely, especially me blended it in. I used, guys, just spray. Like it came pre-plucked and it also came pre-bleached, so you're basically just ready to go. And I was nervous thinking I couldn't cut around the ear, but I did such a good job. It's just so stunning. Oh my god, look at the back, look at the back. One more time, one more time, one more time, one more time. Hey. Yolissa Hair, you killed it. Guys, all the information will be down in the description bar below if you want to check out this wig, if you want to copy it. So pretty. Oh my god, I can't stop thinking of it. Okay, I need to go. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Big up yourselves. Bye.